So here we are at NASDAQ market site, which is the home base for the Never Settle show. This is where it actually goes down. Mario Armstrong, Never Settle. See, I got the Never Settle jacket. I'm gonna take you on a quick tour so you can see what the experience is like. Come on. You come to the show, the first thing we do is we treat you like VIPs. You come here, you can take pictures. This is our big step and repeat, which is our digital wall of all the sponsors that are supporting the show. You come here, you grab your phone, you take your selfies, you're a part of the whole experience that's here. You network with people, you get to meet a lot of other people that are here for the same purpose of pursuing their passion and their dreams, and then we walk you all out. That's my green room. Then, let me show you the control room. This is where all the magic goes down. All of this, look at all that. All stuff related to the show. You got all this stuff related to the show. We got a team here. Yeah, real quick, I need that. Can we get that wall back up really fast? Then you actually get ready to come into the actual set and into the studio. So Gerald is the audience coordinator. He brings you in and gets you all set up. So come on inside. Appreciate you being here. And for those of you that don't know who I am by now, my name is Mario Armstrong, and it is time for Never Settle. Y'all ready? Let's go.